Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine you are a simple, beautiful village girl, a gopi in Vrindavan. Tomorrow is a very special day. You are going to perform Aarti of your beloved Krishna. The sky outside is soft with evening light. Inside my small home, I am busy, but my heart is full of joy and love. Tomorrow, all the gopis are gathering in the garden. Krishna will be there, and I, an ordinary girl, have the chance to offer Aarti to him. What a blessing this is. Tears come to my eyes as I think, how did I get so lucky? I begin to prepare my Aarti thali with great care. First, I prepare a small lamp with ghee and a wick. Then I pluck fresh flowers from the garden to make garland of jasmine and roses, a small bowl of sandalwood and saffron paste for tilak, and a simple laddu I made myself, a tulsi leaf, soft and fragrant, because I know Krishna loves it. As I place each item on the plate, I say his name softly, not out loud, but in my heart. Krishna, 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 with all my love and my devotion. With every step, with every breath, I feel him. I imagine his blue form, his flute, his gentle eyes. Even though I'm in my little home, I feel like I am sitting right near him. I keep the thali next to me all night. I fall asleep thinking of his smile, his voice, and how it feels to be near him. Tomorrow morning, I will dress in my best clothes and walk to the garden with my gopi friends. Krishna will be there, waiting for us. And when it's my turn to do Aarti, I will not need to say anything. I will just look at him with all my heart. My love for Krishna is simple. I don't want anything in return. His happiness is my happiness. Now take a gentle breath. Imagine yourself as that gopi. Feel the love in your heart. Let Krishna be close to you, not just today, but every moment of your life.